Hi everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of offline on Snapchat. To know how to fix or how to solve the problem of offline on Snapchat, you should just go to settings. After that, we click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this list, you'll enter to the window or to the app of Snapchat, and you click in this page as you see. Here in this page of app info, you click on first stop and you click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Here we click clear cache. Don't click manage storage because that can delete your data. And in the end, you can turn off your Wi-Fi and you can turn on your Wi-Fi again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next